come of age, when we hit puberty, it is the most natural thing in the world that we would be attracted to people our own age. That's what feels right to you. That's who you're going to school with. And so you're very early, like when you actually have those hormones running through your body for the first time, those early experiences of feeling attracted and turned on so many times, most of the time, they are towards other people who are your own age. But if you are experiencing those feelings, if that energy is running through a system that has been wounded and abused and damaged, and if you have been given messages over and over again, to some of us it was extreme, but the messages that there's something wrong with that very natural arising that's happening in your body, then basically what happens is like the development is arrested. There is a arrested development. There's a freeze in the developing of the sexual being, of the person's sexuality. And when there is, it's like the more abuse there is, the more lies there are, the more restriction, the more judgment, the more shame, then the more arrested the development is. It's like the energy doesn't have a safe place to bloom, doesn't have a safe place to blossom and become what it's meant to become. It's meant to become something that moves through our bodies in all experiences of pleasure. It is the force that is behind sexual energy, but it's also the force that's behind dancing. It's also the force that's behind laughing and connecting with others. It's the force that's behind a beautiful singing voice. It's the force that's behind powerful charisma that makes people magnetize to you and drawn to you. I want to mention that I just started a community in YouTube, and if you would like to join us, you can click the join button. If you're watching on your computer, it'll be right beneath this video. If you're on your phone, you might have to look a little harder for it. But I've got a lot of exclusive videos in there for you. You will be invited to come to a group meditation, and we're also doing a group meditation that you can sign up for through my website. And so it's 2 different events. And everything that I have going on is always going to be on queenwortham.com. I do one-on-one coaching, and there should be a link in the description below this video to take you straight to the website. It is the force behind the harmonizing energy that keeps our bodies healthy and keeps us engaged and plugged into life as we age. So it is so much more. It is life force energy. So that's where it comes from, that someone could ever be, because what they're telling me is that for an adult to actually want to have sex with a child, that it is against the laws of nature. It's totally against the laws of nature that if our sexual energy is not constricted, then we will naturally just want to be with people who are equals, who are just people who are developed in the same way, mentally, professionally, emotionally. We would want to be with people who are our equals for the most part. So it's something that it's like the more I hear about this kind of stuff, and the more it's, I see it in working with my clients too. It's like just twisted experiences, constricted sexual energy that comes out in so much ugliness, so much abuse. So that is what they're trying to say, is that is, first of all, that is the only thing that could ever make somebody want to engage with somebody who's that much younger than them. And the reason why this is coming through, and the reason why all of this is being brought to the light, is because it has gone on behind closed doors to such an extreme for so many years. And we have become too evolved for this. We've become much, much too evolved for this. We have to have an awakening where all of these abuses that have happened, they have to come to the light.